Has your WhatsApp account been banned? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to submit a request directly in the app to recover your account. First, know the reason for the ban. WhatsApp bans accounts for violating their policies, like using third-party apps, spamming, or sending illegal content. Check the ban message for clues. Just as you can see on my screen, when I open WhatsApp, it says, "This account can no longer be used on WhatsApp due to this issue." If you encounter this, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it with a 100% success rate. But before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. When you see the ban message, tap the support or request a review option at the bottom of the screen. Write a short and polite message explaining that your account has been banned and you'd like it reviewed. Be sure to include your phone number with the country code, for example, +234 XXXXXX. Once you've written your message, send it and wait for WhatsApp to respond. Also, take a screenshot of the ban and post it on X, formerly Twitter, tagging WhatsApp support. They usually respond within 2 to 4 hours. After a few minutes, let's go back and check. Congratulations, my account has been restored. Let's try logging in. Click on Verify Account to register again. Let's see what happens. Click on Agree and Continue, then select your country and enter your number. Wait for the code and complete the registration. I'm also available on Telegram and WhatsApp. If this doesn't work, check my details in the video description. And that's it. If you follow these steps, there's a good chance you'll recover your account. Found this helpful? Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on solving tech issues.